HowExpert Guide to Sports Memorabilia. Collecting is your ultimate roadmap to collecting legendary sports cards, game-worn gear, and athlete autographs through a structured 60-day SPORTS system. Whether you're starting or expanding your collection, this step-by-step guide shows you how to collect, authenticate, preserve, and profit from iconic pieces of sports history. Built as a 60-day, day-by-day system, this guide sharpens your skills daily with essential techniques, proven strategies, and expert insights. Transform from casual fan to strategic collector as you master authenticating athlete autographs, tracking market trends, and building a lasting legacy. With daily action steps, you'll turn passion into expertise and create a collection with enduring value and meaning. Introduction. Discover sports memorabilia and set your goals for success. Chapter 1. Study the history of sports memorabilia. Days 1-4. Trace collecting's origins and connect history to today's market. Chapter 2. Pick a collection. Focus days 5-8. Choose your sport, team, or player and define your themes. Chapter 3. Organize your collection. Days 9-11. Build inventories to protect and track your items. Chapter 4. Research authenticity and provenance. Days 12-15. Spot fakes, verify items, and ensure legitimacy. Chapter 5. Trust the grading process. Days 16-19. Understand grading, assess items, and boost value. Chapter 6. Store and preserve. Like a pro, days 20-22. Safeguard your memorabilia professionally. Chapter 7. Monitor the market. Days 23-25. Track prices, spot trends, and stay ahead. Chapter 8. Engage with the collector community. Days 26-28. Connect with fellow collectors and expand your network. Chapter 9. Make smart buying decisions. Days 29-32. Vet sellers, avoid hype, and find hidden gems. Chapter 10. Obtain rare and exclusive items. Days 33-35. Source limited editions, event-worn gear, and global finds. Chapter 11. Resell with strategy. Days 36-38. Build trust and maximize returns. Chapter 12. Authenticate autographs with authority. Days 39-42. Identify real athlete signatures and archive them securely. Chapter 13. Build a meaningful collection. Days 43-45. Add personal meaning and document each story. Chapter 14. Ensure and appraise your collection. Days 46-48. Appraise professionally and protect your investment. Chapter 15. Learn from elite collectors. Days 49-51. Model the habits of top collectors. Chapter 16. Invest with a long-term mindset. Days 52-54. Balance passion with smart investing. Chapter 17. Aspire to leave a collector legacy. Days 55-60. Document your story and build a lasting legacy. Conclusion. Celebrate your success and continue expanding your collection. Appendices. Glossary, grading directory, inventory templates, supplies checklist, auction site guide, and legacy planning worksheets. HowExpert Guide to Sports Memorabilia. Collecting is more than a guide. It's a complete 60-day system packed with expert strategies, proven techniques, and daily action steps to help you build, protect, and grow a world-class collection. Whether collecting for passion, profit, or legacy, this guide gives you the structure, tools, and knowledge to thrive in the exciting world of sports cards, game-worn gear, and athlete autographs. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.